Hello, hello, hello. We are almost at the end of the most challenging and disruptive year all of us have ever experienced. However, please know that anything that has to do with money can be rebuilt with hard work and dedication, and most likely better than before. Stop dwelling on 2020 and the damage it has done to us. 2020 has also demonstrated how fast we can conquer the status quo and focus on new ways of doing things. This is truly something that all of us should take away from 2020. If you have your health and you haven't lost a loved one, celebrate. Nothing else is worth complaining about. Marilyn Monroe said, "Sometimes good things fall apart so better things can fall together." I'm not a fan of New Year's resolutions, but I'm a big fan of helping people to reflect on their life experience. Ask yourself, what did I learn in 2020? What am I most grateful for? How can I do better as a person in 2021? In what areas of my life do I have to make improvements? Am I driven by fear or by desire? That's it. If you like this video, please make sure to click like, leave a comment, share with your network and subscribe. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.